Hello everyone, I have a purchase I did, a very cute item for a very cute lady. I want to show you this cute baby carrier from Amazon. Hopefully she fits in here well. I hope everybody doing well. Well, to give thank you to all my new subscribers. Oh my god, there is a bunch of new subscribers. Thank you very much. I know I've not been doing video very often. This is great with the butterfly, but they come in pink, they come in blue with pink, so you can choose a different color cover. What I like about these is this. Look at this. Is this so cute? They have the canopy in the head. It's so adorable. I mean, this for sure doesn't look a regular size baby. So let's put these to the side because I'm going to show you my girl. So here is my baby. I redone her. She is Paradise Colors baby Smitten kitten. So aunties can see you. There you go. So she got a makeover. Is cloudy out there, but I have pictures, so I'm gonna put the picture that I got. Look at her. She is so cute. Look at those cheeks. And I have pictures too of the new body she have. She is not newborn anymore. She is bigger. She's wearing a 3 to 6 month 1C. And the slipper is 0 to 3. You know, everything depends on the brand. This is Walmart brand is Wonder Nation, the 1C too. Look at her. So let's see. Say hi, aunties. Oh, another thing. What is this? She now can use a pacifier. Look at her. Hello, aunties. And let's try the baby carrier. I think this is gonna be for your order. Oh my goodness, you're too big. No, definitely not for big girls like you. Look at that, she doesn't fit in here. Oh my goodness, this can be stretched out, but oh no. Not for me, mommy. I'm a big girl now. Okay, let's see somebody fits in there. Let's look for another baby. Because I want to fill the body. I need to put some glass bead and stuff. Okay. So I guess you are the one for this carrier because I'm gonna keep this body. I love this body. Okie dokie now. Okay. I need to put it apart so I can give it some weight because it doesn't have weight on it. They have the fluff, but no, doesn't have no weight on it. You look cute in here. Okay, it's still a little almost there, but there is no way back. Okay, you look cute. Oh my God. There you go. And then this cute looking my baby. Oh, that's cute. So I guess your sister will use this one because this is my boy. Thank you very much for watching. See you later. Bye bye.